In this question, you're given that A3Y B27 are 2 points, minus 1406 are 2 points, and the line joining AB is perpendicular to line joining CD. If that is so, what is the value of this unknown? So this question is based on M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. So AB is perpendicular to CD. So let us say that the slope of AB, let us call it M1, is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 7 minus y by 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That is equal to y minus 7. So the slope of AB is y minus 7. What is the slope of CD? Let us call it M2, which is equal to 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1. So 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So if AB is perpendicular to CD, this implies M1, M2 has to be equal to minus 1. This implies y minus 7 times 2 is equal to minus 1. This implies y minus 7 is equal to minus 1 by 2. And this implies y is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2. So the value of y has to be 13 by 2, so that these two are perpendicular to each other. Thank you.